Hi everyone, it's Cassie, the young teen librarian at East Hampton Library. Today, for our virtual make and take craft, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY stained glass cup. And for that, all you're going to need is a clear glass cup, so clear glass. So it should be like we're going to do this on glass. It's a cup and just markers and fine point markers. So I don't know if you can tell with me holding this up, but this glass is made where like it kind of bends in and out, so it has like rivulets. So along the top of, like, I guess these little mounds, I am going to draw with the black fine point marker to kind of make like an outline, and then within the outline I will use the other markers to color in the lines. Pretty simple, not really that crazy, super simple. So we're going to start. It makes it a bit difficult because it is clear. So I kind of have to feel along with my hand. Okay, so I know. So you're going to trace along all the way down. Okay. Some are a bit more easy to follow, others not so much. Oh, so this one's pretty. There. All right, so it's coming together. Now, if you were to use this as an actual drinking glass, you would have to use something like a sealant or shellac. Now, this particular glass, it actually used to have this, like, I don't know what, it was like some blue plastic shellac type stuff that was on the outside, but it wasn't put on there very well because some parts of it would flake off. So I ended up just scrubbing it all off myself because I was like, you know what, I'm just going to remake this myself. So you can probably see there's the pattern of that. I want to make sure that any spacing I have is not like, I don't have like a super big section. Like for example, this section is pretty big, so even though there's not a line there, I'm going to make there be a line so that I have smaller surface areas and I can include more colors. Okay. That looks pretty cool. Okay, I think that's pretty much. Only thing is, what I want to now do, because I've made my lines, I want to go back over them with the black marker to make sure they're as bold as I can get them. But this particular glass, as I was saying before, I never used this as a drinking glass. I used it as a cup on my desk to hold pens. So I will continue to use it as that. I just decided that I was going to revamp it and kind of make the style my own. there's our last one. There. So now those lines are a bit more bold. So let's start with our first color. I'm going to do a little section of red right here. So let me hold that. So yeah, you can see there's a little bit of a red section there. Let's do a dark, this is kind of like a hunter green. So we're going to color in this section down here. Now because it's on glass, we want to make sure that the black is not going to mix with them. So we need to go slower when we're bordering the black lines. There we go. Okay. And yeah, it's not going to be perfect whatever we come up with, but it will be kind of cool. It'll add to it. So I'm putting blue here. Okay, we're going to do and what's cool, because of the shape of the glass, where it has like all the little rivulets, like something like the green, when you move it, like it looks like it looks like the bottom is painted green, even though it's not, because of the shape of the glass. Okay, let's do this purple color. We're gonna do here. Actually, this is like more of like a purpley pink color. With this particular brand of markers, they don't really, I kind of wish they would list like what the color is supposed to be. Like if it's like magenta or something, because that's probably what this is. It has a slight magenta color. There we go. Right, for this video, I'm just going to use all of the colors I have here, and then I will finish it up later. I will finish up the glass later with the other colors I've chosen. But I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what something like this might look like. There we go. There we go. I'll do one purple. This purple is very light. I might have to follow over it with a different purple because it's not really showing up. But, or maybe not. looks like I'm able to build up the color. All right. We're going to do the, no, you know what? I want to do this section right here, and I'm going to do this blue color. So we're going to do this. It's pretty. It's a pretty color. Okay. Okay, we're going to do here. Ooh, that is a bold color. Whew, that is bright. Okay. All right, so those are the colors I chose. I will go use them again to go over this, but you can tell that's kind of pretty cool. That's pretty cool. It'll need a little bit of cleaning up because it's got a lot like inside, because it's got a lot of like smudge prints inside the glass from me having to hold it. But that is another kind of cute little way to use markers and to use these fine point markers with something that you have at home. So I hope that you enjoyed that, and I hope that you'll have a great rest of your day. Bye, everyone.